This week in Computer Concepts Online, we will be doing PowerPoint again. So I'm going to click on the PowerPoint in the navigation pane, and we will be using Mod 14. Notice that it is due on November 21. I'm also going to point out that your exams for PowerPoint will be November the 20th through 24th. Yes, I realize that is during the Thanksgiving break, but to keep us on track for the semester, I'm doing the test during Thanksgiving, so I might open up the test a little bit early too. You will notice that after you do PowerPoint, you will do your capstones. That is why I'm starting the test early. Back to Mod 14. I'm going to click on the checklist. You're to read the chapter. Complete the step-by-step that is presented within the chapter. Answer the concepts review. You do not turn those in. Those are your study guide questions. Complete the skills review project and the independent challenge 3. The step-by-step, skills review, and independent challenge are the 3 items that you will submit in the Mod 14 submission box. You will also have a SAM assignment. You will find your documents in the data files for Mod 14. I have also included some videos, for example, the dinner bell. There's the Saturn radio waves, the bird calls, so you can do the bird calls. These are free videos that you can insert into your PowerPoint. Otherwise, you may have to pay for them. You are to use PowerPoint 14.1. Going back to the file folder that has your data files for Mod 14, I'm going to download. I'll just open my PowerPoint, and I'm going to enable. And you are to rename this 14-1 to Summer Cooking Classes. You're to proceed to slide 3. So in your thumbnail, in your navigation pane, I'm going to go to slide 3. Or you can proceed through the scroll bar on the right-hand side. But I prefer using my thumbnail. If you want more working space, you can size your thumbnail so that they are smaller. Next, on slide 3, you are to click on the picture button in the placeholder. So you have a table, insert graph, smart art, there's a picture, online, and insert video. And they want you to do the kale leaf. Well, if you're going to do that, that means you have to go back to Moodle and find the kale leaf. And there's the kale leaf. So I have to download it. Here's my kale leaf. I'm going to do a file. go into Computer Concepts. Minimize. I'll click on that, the picture icon. Scroll to where I saved it. And there's my kale leaf. Notice when you insert the kale leaf, you end up with a contextual tab that says Picture Tools Format. And that is where we are now going to crop. And notice crop is on the Picture Tools Format. If I click off the picture, notice my contextual tab has disappeared. Click back on the picture, it is back. So I'm going to go to crop. Crop means we are going to cut it down. And how big do they want us to crop it? So they want it to look like one of the diagrams in your book, so I need to go back just a little bit. Bring it in on the left-hand side. These are your cropping handles, the little black areas. I could have also, if I wanted to, gone in from the corner, and notice it takes the side and the top. If you just use the side cropping handle, it just adjusts the side. When I've gone through that, I'm going to click the crop again. Next, we are going to remove the background button. And that is in your Adjust grouping, far left hand on this ribbon for the tools for your picture and format. And it says Remove Background. I need to make sure my whole leaf is green. So notice I have adjusted my top, my bottom, my right a little bit. I'm going to adjust my left just a little bit too. After that, I want to keep my changes. Notice now that I do not have the brown background. Still going with my picture. I'm to move my mouse pointer to the right hand corner. Better select my picture. And I want my pointer to be about 1 inch. I don't have a ruler, so I'm going to put a ruler on there. There's 1 inch. And for the ruler, I went to the View button and to Ruler. Next, I am going to click on my picture and drag it so that it is centered horizontally. And then on my format, on my arrange, I'm going to align more. Looks like they want it up just a little bit more. To add sound, they want us to go to slide 4, go to the Insert tab, and we are going to go to the audio, the medium grouping, and it's the audio. And this again is where they say to get the dinner bell. So I have to go back to Moodle and find the dinner bell. I remember seeing that. It is an audio, but there it is. It's in my downloads now. So I'm going to do audio file on my PC. I'm going to go to download. And there's dinner bell. I'm going to press the play button. Notice again, we have 2 contextual tabs for format and playback. And on the audio tab for format, we're going to go to change the picture button. The change picture button. And they want that to be a dinner bell. So in order to do that, I have to again do what? Download the picture from Next, you need to insert the dinner bell. That means you have to go back to Moodle and find the dinner bell. So I'm going to go to change picture button, browse. My dinner bell went to my downloads. Here's my dinner bell. I'm going to size it, and I want it to be 2 inches tall.